Do you guys know what time it is? I'm gonna give you a little hint. It's FabFitFun. It's FabFitFun time. I know you guys can read upside down. I know you guys are excited. So it's FabFitFun time. It's the spring box. This amazing box comes 4 times a year, and it is the springtime. Well, not yet. It's still February, but it's coming. Spring is coming. So it's time to do the spring box unboxing for you guys. I have partnered with FabFitFun to bring you this video. I'm so excited, and a big thank you to FabFitFun for teaming up with your girl to bring this content. I love this box. It's not like they had to twist my arm to do this video. I do it every single season. I'm in love with FabFitFun. This is an amazing, amazing service. They send you full-size products to your house worth over $200, and it's only $39.99 with the $10 off coupon, which I'm going to put in the description bar. I believe it's Samantha 10, so it saves you $10. So it is not an affiliate code, but it does save you guys money. It is provided for my viewers that watch this video. So I'm gonna get into what's in this amazing box right now. I don't want to linger on too much. I gave you guys the important info 4 times a year, save $10, and it's an awesome box. I don't know what's in here, but I've never been disappointed by a FabFitFun box. I never have. It's always got amazing stuff in it. So let me open it. Like enough with the jibber jabber. Just get into it, right? Samantha, shut up. Stop. Shut up. This box has fashion, beauty, wellness, lifestyle. Let me open this up right now. Let's go. Ready? You guys ready? Look, you guys see before I do. You see before I do? There it is. Ooh, okay. Let's relax. This is the Handy Dandy magazine. Looks like there's something from HelloFresh. Cook up with a fresh start. $50 off. $25 off your first 2 boxes and free shipping with HelloFresh. Look. You guys want to see? This is what the inside of the box looks like. Alright, so what do we have here? I'm going to get my little magazine ready on the side because the magazine tells you what's in here, how much it's worth, all that good stuff. Now, I normally save the jewelry for the end, but it's sitting right on top, and it's in this beautiful, beautiful bag. I have to open it right now. So this is the Maya Brenna Designs Love Bracelet. Let's see. Oh, it's so pretty, guys. Can you see it? Let me focus in on it. I'm going to put this on right now. God help me try to put it on, but I'm going to do it. I did it! Oh, look. It's so pretty. I put it with my watch. I really like that. It's so dainty. Alright, what a cool bag too. I'm going to be going on vacation eventually. Eventually, and when I go on vacation, I'll be able to use that to carry my jewelry. That is a value of $65, you guys. Wow, I believe it is, well, it doesn't say if it's silver or not. What is it? Does it say something on here? It doesn't. I know it's a really nice designer, so there we go. Alright, the next thing in here I see is from Murad. You know I love Murad, guys. This is the Skin Perfecting Lotion. And what does it say here? It's a value of $40. It's a value of $40. And it is an oil-free moisturizer and helps blemish-prone skin stay smooth. That's nice. Oh, okay. I really like Murad. Actually, you guys, one of my favorite Murad products is the primer. So, I mean, I'm a big fan of Murad. So, alright. It's a hydrator. Well, this is cool. Again, really pretty. So, I'm excited for that. The next thing in the box. Ooh, Cora's Guava Body Butter. Oh, that's nice. This is a value of $24. This is a choice item. Booyah. And slough away that winter-worn skin. I hate the word slough. I just want you guys to know that, and I suffered through it just for you. So this body butter is enriched with shea butter and quince extract to soften, moisturize, and rejuvenate the skin well. Sunflower, almond, and avocado oil works to nourish and improve the skin's elasticity and smoothness. Let's smell this. Is it? Oh yeah, it's definitely closed. So let's do this. The bottle is like really pretty too. Oh, it smells really good. I could definitely smell the almond in there. Oh, anything with almond, I live for. Ooh, it feels really good, you guys. Can't wait to put this all over my body. Oh, good. Whew. Okay, so we've got 3 good products. Bracelet, face moisturizer, body moisturizer. Okay, the next thing in here is by Rachel Pally. Rachel Pally, what are you doing in this box right now? This is, let's see, a Rachel Pally reversible clutch. My goodness. Oh my goodness. Rachel Pally is super fancy. Oh, look at this. Oh my gosh, I have a bathing suit that matches this perfectly. Oh, this is so, so pretty. Oh, they have 3 options for this, which is so nice. This is $60. Use the pattern side as a pop of color and use the reverse side to accent more elaborate. So you can just use this as an accent, or you can use this as a pattern. This screams spring. I absolutely love this. So pretty, and I love the nifty little bag it comes in to protect it, so it doesn't just get like thrown around in your closet, which my closet, I can't even get into that right now. Okay, so the next thing is Dermilect. What is that? So let's see what that is. Concealing Ridge Filler. It looks like a nail treatment that fills the ridges in. Okay, so that's cool. I mean, who doesn't get ridges in their nails? And it's a keratin peptide infused nail treatment, and it's a value of $18. Awesome. Can't use it. I mean, seriously, my nails, I have not been treating them well over the last year. Let's be honest. Uh-oh. Uh-oh, I see something that Matt's gonna steal from me. Oh my goodness. It's a Free People understated leather starry-eyed travel eye mask. Okay, secret time, guys. Matt sleeps with an eye mask. This thing is so luxurious. Oh my goodness. It is so smushy. Oh, it's so good. Look at how pretty it is, first of all. Oh my, you know what? Matt's totally gonna steal this from me. He's gonna love it. He is. It's so good. Oh, I love it. And it's Free People, which is super, super fancy. It's a value of $40. $40 eye mask. Holy FabFitFun. They are spoiling us this season. Looks like there's 4 more things in the box. Okay, so this is a Dove body polish, crushed macadamia and rice milk. This is actually one of the sponsored items in the box. I love Dove products. I love exfoliating my body, so I will be doing this in the shower tomorrow. Reveal silky smooth skin with new Dove exfoliating body polish. All right, let's do it. I'm excited. Okay, next thing here is by number 1, Manhattan Beach. Looks like some sort of a candle. Anderson Lily Sunset Collection Candle in Manhattan. Oh, Manhattan Beach. Let's check it out. I just scraped my nail in it. This is beautiful. And it smells amazing. What a cool looking candle. I'm gonna find a place for this, like like an accent or something. It's really pretty. Oh wow. FabFitFun, like if you guys haven't joined FabFitFun by now, I don't know why you haven't, because everything's always good in this box. Okay, so the next thing is a lip statement palette by Ish, or ISH. Holy, this is a pucker up, ladies. It's a palette. It's $42. It's a lip palette. Oh, I love lip palettes. Let's open this up. Oh, oh, I dropped the brush. I dropped the brush. Look at those shades. This is perfect to go in your bag. You know, I'm the type of person that puts on a lip color in the beginning of the day, but by about lunch, I am tired of the color I'm wearing and I switch it up. So I wind up with like 9 lipsticks and lip liners. A product like this would work really well for somebody like me because I'm always switching my lip color during the day. If you're like me, this is amazing. I love this. Enriched with rose extract, shea butter, jojoba oil, olive oil, and aloe vera, you can mix and match for endless color combinations. What an amazing palette. How exciting. Wow. This box, man. So this is why I love partnering with FabFitFun. This box never, ever disappoint. This is the only box that I take sponsored videos by because the box is just amazing and I never have to be like, what if it's a crappy box? Like, I know it's gonna be good, you know, so I can just rave and rave and rave. All right, the last thing in the box looks a little crazy. Looks a little crazy. This is the Physique Massage Roller. The Physique Massage Roller. It's $20. Oh, and you just massage. And you massage my chest. You massage your legs. Ooh, I'm getting mad to massage my back earlier because I've been having some serious back issues lately. Yeah, this is amazing. You guys. Okay. Alright, FabFitFun fans, that is it for this video. I hope you enjoyed. This box is chock full of amazing stuff, useful things, and things that I just can't wait to try. I love you guys. Thank you so much for tuning in, and give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. Don't forget to check out FabFitFun, which I have linked in the description bar along with my $10 off coupon code for you guys. $39.99 for your first box. Okay, I love you guys. I will see you next time.